Well, the holiday season is upon us, and it's time to start thinking about buying gifts. So I would like to give you some do's and don'ts for buying gifts for seniors. All right, so the first thing we're going to cover is the don'ts. And if whoever you're buying for has requested one of these items, then of course buy it for them. But if they haven't, so let's first start with Grandma does not need another sweater. She does not need another throw. She does not need, and this goes for Mom too, whatever current appliance is the most popular appliance. I downsize people and I get into the back of their cupboards and there are boxes of unopened appliances that the family gave them and that they've never used. By the time somebody gets to be 60, they've cooked for decades the same way. Like, I don't need a rice steamer. I know how to make rice. I do it on top of the stove. I've done it that way for years. I'm not going to change now. So stop buying them appliances they don't need. Anything you buy for a senior should be something that they can consume. All right. Now, that could be a food product. Okay. So maybe some of their favorite candies. My seniors, oh my gosh, they all have candy stashes. It cracks me up. Stuff they would have never given their kids, but they've got hidden drawers where they've got their candy saved. So if they've got a sweet tooth, maybe get them their favorite kind of candy or get them a really special candy. If they'd like a special wine, buy them something like that, or any special food that they like. Do they drink tea or coffee? So you could buy them something that you know they already like or give them a gift card to maybe a tea shop, something like that. If they're a crafter and they like to say crochet or knit, do needlepoint, buy them some supplies. Now, if they crochet and knit and you give them yarn, you better pick it in a color that you like because they're probably going to make you something out of that yarn. So, what other things can you do for them? If it's not something that you know they like as far as a food or a beverage or something like that, go on your computer and make some coupons, all right? Offer to, if they still drive, wash their car once a month. Maybe you make coupons that in the spring you're going to pick them up, take them to the nursery, help them pick out flowers, and you're going to help them plant all their planters full of flowers or help them plant their garden. Do coupons for doing yard work or for taking them for drives, for going to lunch each month. Your time is more valuable to them than anything else that you could possibly give them. But the possibilities are endless. But it should not be a physical gift. They've got more stuff than they know what to do with, and you're just going to add more clutter to their house, and they don't need that. So think about something that is consumable. Maybe if you have somebody that you know who is housebound but still loves to send cards or letters to people, go to the dollar store and pick a bunch of like birthday cards and get well cards, maybe some nice stationery, buy them some stamps, give that to them. They would love that because then it gives them a chance to do something for other people. The other thing is buy them gift cards for the grocery store. For a lot of seniors, they're on a budget, and just having a card for groceries is just a wonderful gift for them. So I hope this helps you as you head out to do your holiday shopping, and I wish all of you a very joyous holiday season. If you found this video to be helpful, please leave me a comment, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you'll see more of my videos in the future.